This video is to show you how to measure packaged bottles that doesn't come with a template. I have 3 bottles here. I have a glass bottle, I have an airless bottle, and I have a plastic bottle. I didn't have a template. I'm going to start with a ruler, printable ruler. I have a pen and a paper. What I'm going to do is grab my first bottle, which is my 1-inch Boston round. With that, I'm going to use my measurement. You need 2 measurements. You need the height. So you go from the straight part of it down to like a 1/4 inch from the bottom. So here I have 1.7. I have 1.7, so I'm going to write that down. Then you go around the bottle, straight all the way around. Remember the lines for your ruler. Here I have about 4.1. So 4.11. Okay, here's my airless bottle. Do the height. Remember the labels just go in between the metal part. You need like a 1/4 inch on the edges. So I have here 1.7, and I'm going to go around the airless, and I have 3.2. Then my last bottle, it's going to be Boston round. Height, remember you need the straight part of the bottle. I have about 2.1, and then go around, keep it flat. I have 6.1. You gotta remember to subtract a 1/4 inch off every dimension. So there's a gap.